So my students through the YST program learn a lot of real-world hands-on skills. Everything I'm teaching in the manufacturing, engineering, and technology, it's a great way for them to go on the job, meet real employers, real companies, see the real flow of how the workforce is, and give them that real-world experience so that they can move on to the next level and figure out what they really want to do with their life.
The thing that interested me most was probably I would get to experience other things other than just sitting in a classroom and just watching videos on engines and actually being able to go out and work on them.
What interested me in participating in the YST program would probably be just working with my hands. Just sitting at a desk does not sound like fun for me. So I just like to be active and doing something other than sitting.
So what's great about the YST program, not only is the students learning some skills in the schools for high demand trade industries, is they get the ability to come out in those industries and see the real world application of what they're learning.
To me, the YST program exists to build that exposure for students and industries that you don't need a 4-year degree to make a really good living. I have plenty of examples in my current shop where they wish they would have just started at BTD, and plenty of other examples of individuals that in 5 years were able to make 6 figures.
The program is helping me by showing me things that I didn't get to see before, going in, different hours, working overtime, getting to see the welders, how they're doing things, what it's like, going to college, going to DCTC, doing interviews, all kinds of good stuff that I didn't get to do before.
I've seen a lot of changes in maturity with my YST students. It's on them to follow through with the onboarding process and completing the hiring paperwork and drug tests and all that, and communicating with their employers for their schedule, or if they need to leave early or come late or things like that. It's all on them and the responsibility, like a real job is. It's not kind of falling on their parents or for me to follow up with their employers. It's on them, and they really learn those skills.
I think someone that doesn't like sitting in a chair all day would be a good fit for this program, because I'm not that type of person, and it's really helped me focus in school better too. And people who just want to learn more about what they want to do.
The talent and skills and the people that we're looking for, we recognize that comes from, it starts in an early age for a lot of people, and we're trying to catch individuals at a time when they may be thinking about different career paths, and hopefully think this is a good exposure and time to maybe think that a path with BTD or even other industries is a better option for them.
So they're leaving the YST program with one OSHA certification. We help them get that, and then they also get experience with interviewing, and they learn interview skills, and we help them build their resume, and then also getting out into the field and working with employers.
And just, at least try it. It really does work, and I believe that it's helped me in choosing a career that I want to do, and I believe it can help other people as well.